Hello everybody, I just want to give you a quick walkthrough on some of the key features of why I switched from Leadpages over to ClickFunnels. So to start, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough on everything in my dashboard, and hopefully you'll quickly see why I have switched over. To start, it's super convenient because everything is actually organized by topics. It's not a whole bunch of random pages like it often is in Leadpages. It's not, you don't have to categorize or just have a bunch of different pages, a landing page and a thank you page and an upsell page. And it's crazy to even think about having one page that has multiple buttons going to multiple other pages all scattered across in one whole thing. So each of these is actually a funnel, which consists of a consistent sequence of pages that go from one to the next. If it's a simple basic email opt-in, it'll go from one page to the next page. So let me show you one of the funnels that I use a lot. I would use this one if I'm running Facebook ads for a restaurant client or something else. Just a very basic funnel, but you can see right here that there is the landing page, right there, and I'll go in there in a second. And then sequentially comes the thank you page right after that. Super, super easy, super convenient. You can see if you want to add more steps, say on the thank you page, there's if you buy something now, you get a special extra discount. Then click here, and then you can just keep adding pages, upsells, or sequentially. Another great thing would be if you have a lead magnet on the first page, then the second page is an immediate upsell or a tripwire, or a 5-day challenge. Hey, you just got my free guide. Now why don't you join my Facebook group and my 5-day challenge, and kind of keep walking them through. And then a page for each 5-day challenge, and then on the last day is your upsell into a paid course. Anything like that. It's just so much easier to see the actual progression of things, whereas Leadpages, you would see each one of these as a separate thing, as a separate page. So let's go ahead and go in here, and I'll show you some of the reasons why I love it in here as well. The pages are very, very easy to lay out. They're very easy to work with. You'll see a lot of similar elements as you would in Leadpages. You can do background image by going into here, background. You can change all these different elements out, swap them out, here and there. Whatever you want. You can add elements in. You can add columns or rows, and you just give you a quick little inside headline, subheadline, all these different things. They all look great. Different video formats, different forms, so you have call to actions, whatever, different input fields. They don't have it on this page because this is just an opt-in template, but if you have an order form, you can actually take orders in here as an integrated process into everything else. So a lot of times with Leadpages, if you want to collect money, you have to send them somewhere else. Right in ClickFunnels here, you can collect money, so you can go from a lead magnet to a tripwire. And then what's also really nice is, again, you can't see it here, but after you collect their order information on the next page, you can have an immediate upsell, and you already have their credit card information. So all they have to do is click once, and it'll add in. So say, for instance, you just sold them an online course, and the immediate upsell is, hey, do you want the booklet, the hard copy booklet to go along with this? Or here's an e-course. Here's an upsell if you want the actual DVDs. And in just one click, they can just add that to their order, and it'll automatically be pushed through. Super, super convenient. ClickFunnels has designed this as an all-in-one platform. So you would see all of those options right in here. Order forms, different things, shipping address, different countdown options, kind of similar to what you would see. These are kind of nice. You don't see these as much in Leadpages, actually being able to do Facebook comments or social shares. You can tell it what post link to share. Pricing table. A lot of these are just super, super nice. So let's look at a few of these. Progress bar. Sorry, I think I screwed that one up. So for instance, if we wanted to drag a progress bar into here, so that way to create some urgency, almost complete, you're almost done, or it'd probably look better. It'd probably look better up here. Let's see. There we go. So it'd probably look better up here. Almost complete. You're almost done. They just clicked here from Facebook ad. Boom, almost done. Send them through. Of course, you can design that or change the colors or whatever you want. And there's just lots of great looking things, sharp looking things. You can customize just about everything in here. You can customize how the forms look, all that good stuff. And then if you're adding, so on the funnel level is where you would put your actual entire Facebook pixel. And then on each individual page, if you're using Facebook conversion events, you can drop those in here. Super, super convenient, because then on each page, you're not having to do the entire pixel and the entire conversion event. You can just do, you can literally just put the conversion event on each page, because the entire Facebook pixel is at the funnel level. And I'll show you where that is in just a second here. The other cool feature that I have used a lot is if you're collaborating with somebody, or you want to help somebody open a new account, anything like that, there is a great feature called a share funnel. And a share funnel is where you can actually take an entire funnel of yours and you can share it with somebody else. So this is the one that we were just on, free dessert funnel. You can see again, they're all organized by funnel. Let's see here. And let's see, sorry about this. This is definitely my internet, not the ClickFunnels server. So, well, we'll see then. Now we're back in. So we go back into our dessert funnel, and you can see the thank you page is the same idea. Very easy to edit. What's really cool though is then when we go up here into the actual settings, you can choose your domain, so you can load up all the different domains you have, as many domains as you want. You can put all of your tracking pixels here. If you want to change the favicon, awesome. That's the little icon that often shows up here. Then what's really cool is you can click share funnel, and you can copy this exact link, and then when somebody you can share that with that, and then if somebody opens an account through that link, you get an affiliate commission. So I will put that link right below so you can see what that looks like. You don't have to sign up through that, but if you have a friend that's in a similar niche as you, share that up with them and get them hooked up with a ClickFunnels account by going right there. And the other great thing is the stats. This isn't a live funnel. This is often one that I just share. But you can see each step. They have analytics, and you can see it each step of the way. So let me see if I can pull up a little bit larger. Let's see. Cool. So this is a little bit larger funnel that I have for a music theory site. You can see there's a whole bunch of steps in there. But if you go in here, you can actually look at stats a little bit more so. And it'll show you every step of the way. I just redid some of this, so there's not many sales coming through. But you can see each step. You can tell conversion amounts. Once the sales start coming in, you can see sales in there. All the stats are way cleaner. It's not just each page, it's actually each funnel. You can see how one step is affecting the next step of the funnel. You can see all the stats. You can see all the sales integrated in there. You can see the contacts that come through. It's way convenient. And the last thing that I absolutely have grown to love about ClickFunnels is all of the templates are amazing. And it's not just page templates like what we see in Leadpages. Here what we actually find is they actually have funnel templates. So it's how should one page go to the next, go to the next. They help you market for you, and they're all super, super proven. So collecting emails, just basic lead magnet type of stuff, maybe a tripwire in there. So let's look at this. We're going to host a webinar, and this is going to be a live webinar for this example. Let's say a live webinar demo. And you'll see once it starts loading up that they kind of have it ready to go. So it says just basic registration, confirmation, live room, and all of these templates are absolutely amazing. You name it, even the headlines, the sample headlines they have in there. A lot of times I found myself using their headlines and just swapping things out in there. But let's look through a few of these. Super basic. I've used this exact one for a lot of blog posts. Some of you actually came from my why I moved from Leadpages to ClickFunnels blog post, and I use that exact template. It looks oddly familiar, doesn't it? I use this one quite a bit, and I really don't change them. And some of them I'm getting 75 to 80% conversions. So just constantly. And it's not just a few templates. It's literally you name what you want each page to do. You name what you want each funnel to do. And they show you, they give you all the tools you need. So just for example, let's go ahead and look just for comparison. Webinar replay. You can see, so the other one is just very basic registration, confirmation, then your live room is somewhere else. So for here, they have it set up the webinar registration, and they have all of the registration templates right here that are all very high converting. Webinar countdown page, you could put a product sale right here, kind of a quick upsell, a quick liquidating offer on this page. The actual broadcast room, and here the replay room. So they set it up for you. You don't have to know how to market a webinar to do webinar, because they literally have it completely set up for you, ready to go. It's amazing. And I won't get into it deeply here, but they do have even you can have a membership site as a funnel. And so you don't need to pay extra for other platforms. So as you can see, everything is super, super user friendly. It's all very logical. It's all very high converting. So if you go right below, I will put that link to that share funnel, that free dessert funnel. You can have that. You can use it. You can use it for tons of clients. Just swap out the offer and some of the images. And it's a great funnel to start off with. And I do have a really great offer for you as well. If you are actually on Leadpages or some other platform, if you sign up with my link, my affiliate link on this page underneath this video, and then shoot me an email that's also on this page, I will help you migrate all of your pages over. Saves you a ton of time. And I'll give you a free month's coaching with Facebook ads and ClickFunnels. So I will make sure that whatever extra you have to pay for ClickFunnels over whatever you're using is going to be worth it very, very quickly. I run a ton of Facebook ads and a ton of funnels, and I want to make sure that you're successful, because if you're successful, I'm successful. So sign up below through one of my links to get the share funnel if you want. Check it out more, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. All right, you guys, see you later.